In this video, I will show you how to bold text on WhatsApp. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you will not make any mistake. First of all, go to WhatsApp. After you open your WhatsApp, go and open the person that you want to send him a bold text. Tap on this message. So now type in your message that you want to send. So after you finish typing your message, all you have to do just select the message using your hand. Just long press your hand on the message. So as you can see now, it just selected the message. All you have to do now, tap on this bold. So that's it, guys. As you can see now, I bold the message. So now tap on this send. So as you can see now, the message has been bolded. So the second option to make your bold message is, after you type in your message, all you have to do just type in star at the first and type in star at the end. So as you can see now, by typing star at the beginning and at the end, now it will make your message to bold. So if you type in long message, like for example, if you type like long message and you want to make it bold, all you have to do just type in star at the bottom at the beginning and star at the end of the message. It will make all your messages as bold. So tap on this send. As you can see now, the message has been bolded. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.